I'm Liz from Leisure Days Insurance. In this video we're going to show you how to clean your holiday caravan or lodge decking so that it stays in tip-top shape. Some parks might offer a decking cleaning service, but it's an easy enough job to tackle yourself with the right equipment. We're here at Ribby Hall Holiday Village in Lancashire, and we're going to show you how to clean your decking using this holiday caravan here. Whether you have composite, UPVC or wooden decking, here's the equipment that you'll need. A long-handled sweeping brush with hard bristles, a handheld scrubbing brush, a water source, a hose pipe, a bucket, a squeegee type mop, a fine day, some specialist decking cleaner and some elbow grease. We're going to use two different cleaning products today. There's the Deck Max deck cleaner, and then also Mayfield Decking recommend the Wash Bomb cleaning product. Deck Max deck cleaner is eco-friendly and can be used to clean wooden, composite or UPVC decking to help eliminate any mould, mildew and oxidation that has built up over time. Mayfield Decks also recommends Wash Bomb to clean your decking. This is non-foaming, doesn't contain any solvents which could harm the environment and is antimicrobial to help prevent algae growth. Before we get started, here are a few do's and don'ts when cleaning your holiday caravan decking. Don't use household or chlorine bleach to clean your decking. It will damage your decking and will not prevent or get rid of mould. Do use a specialist decking cleaner. Don't clean your decking in bright sunlight. Instead, clean it in the morning or late afternoon, early evening. Don't use a high pressure jet washer on your decking. If using a jet washer, make sure it's on a low pressure setting. Also be careful not to point the jet directly onto posts and fascia boards, as the pressure from the jet can cause delamination over time. As a general rule, the nozzle should be no closer than 12 inches to the surface. Don't use paint as a sealant on any type of decking. Do clean your decking regularly to keep it in a good condition and to prevent algae and moss from accumulating. Make sure your decking is clean before applying any preservative or staining a wooden decking. So to begin with, remove any furniture, pot plants or barbecues from your decking. Then sweep down the decking to get rid of any debris, leaves, dirt or rubbish. It's also a good time to inspect the decking to make sure none of the boards have come loose. For wooden decking, it might be as simple as driving another screw in to secure the plank. If plastic or composite decking, contact the company who installed the deck immediately. Once the decking is clear, using the hose pipe on a low setting, wash away any loose dirt or debris. Be careful around any air vents on your caravan. Following the instructions on your decking cleaning product, add it to a bucket and dilute as directed. Starting from a straight edge against your caravan or decking fencing, work in a line away from your caravan. Using a long-handled brush, apply the solution to the decking, scrubbing as you go, going with the direction of the boards. Use long sweeps which overlap each other. Some cleaning solutions are best left for 15 minutes to half an hour to work their magic before rinsing. Once clean, rinse off the cleaning solution residue with fresh, clean water from the hose pipe. For stubborn stains, you might need to go over again with a hand brush and the cleaning agent. Don't forget to clean between the boards, as this is where debris can gather and mould can thrive. Make sure these gaps don't get blocked with debris and dirt so air can flow between the decking boards. Use the hand brush to get to those difficult to reach areas such as underneath the balustrades. When you've rinsed off the decking, you can dry it off quickly with a sponge or squeegee style mop. If your deck has got some stubborn food stains on it, use a biodegradable soap with some water and brush over with a soft bristled brush. Then rinse with clean water. It's best to remove food spills when they happen by rinsing away quickly. A common question we often get asked is how to remove grease and oil from a holiday caravan decking. As mentioned before, it's best to deal with these spills straight away before the grease has chanced to set in. Failing that, try applying some concentrated dishwashing liquid directly onto the stain and brush with a stiff decking brush in line with the grain. Rinse with hot water and brush again. Keep repeating until the stain is removed. Once dry, you can apply a decking revitaliser, and this will help to restore your decking and offer some extra protection. Deckmax's E2 PVC Deck Revitaliser will help to restore your PVC's decking's colour and eliminate fading, and this can be applied after cleaning your decking. For wooden decking, there are different kinds of decking oil and stain to restore your deck. Also, when leaving your clean decking for extended periods, make sure you remove any items that might rust, such as barbecues, as the staining is very difficult to remove and even proprietary cleaners don't always work. If attempting to remove rust staining, you should choose a solvent-free plastic cleaner, and it's good practice to test a small area out of sight first to see if the cleaning agent reacts with the surface. Always read the manufacturer's instructions. So that's everything we think you need to know to have a clean deck throughout the season. And remember to regularly sweep your decking to get rid of leaves and dirt throughout the year, and it's a good idea to clean your decking in the spring and then once again in the autumn. For more hints and tips, why not head on over to the Leisure Days website. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy your clean holiday caravan decking.